I'll be showing you how to change your background from that to this. This was what my background was before, and this is what it is after. Hi guys, my YouTube channel is more about how to use Photoshop as a beginner, grow your YouTube channel, and learn AI tools this year 2025. Subscribe if this is what you would like to learn. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Then we'll go into our apps and select CapCut. We'll be using the Pro version of the CapCut this time, and then click on New Project, and then go to your gallery and select the file, the image you'll be using. I'll be dropping some nice images on background for you so that you can experiment on them. So the next thing is that you drag that and go to your aspect ratio, click on 16:9, and when you are done, you expand it and centralize the background. After that, the next thing we are going to do is to go to your video effect and click on blur. When you click on blur, please use the ratio we have used on this video. Then onto the next, we are done with the background. Then we go to the image, click on the overlaid image, go to your video quality and choose sharpen. When you are sharpening your image, ensure you are using 30, whether it brings out the beauty and clarity of that image. The next thing you will do is to still go to the adjustment layer, click on brilliance. We use the same ratio that we are using, which is 6, 7 or 8. That's what you can use. Then you move to the video quality and click on enhance quality. Retouch is the next thing. Click on your face, go to smooth, use the ratio that we are using, that I have used rather. The next, and then here is the final result of the video. This is beautiful. If you want to do your video, let me give you the scope. Just when you are doing your video, just move back so that when you are zooming the image on the background, it will not show any edges, so it brings out the beauty and makes it clean. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if this has really helped. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section.